Hey guys, so if you are about to move or you have moved, this spreadsheet is perfect for you to keep track of your checklist of all the cleaning that needs to be done. So you could hand this to someone. You could use this as as a cleaning service company, making sure that your staff checks everything off when they're done. But basically, this goes through every room in the house, including 4 bedrooms, two bathrooms, a garage, basement, bonus room, playroom, office, and den. There's a place for this is totally printable and editable, totally customizable, and so it can work for anything that you need as far as making sure all the cleaning gets done. And it's most of its basic is sweeping and mopping, wiping down baseboards, cleaning out refrigerator, cleaning out microwave, that kind of thing. So just to change things up, all you do is just enter in the cell and then just type whatever you want and then check it off when it's done. You can delete this, uncheck it, and just put in vacuum. And then and that's pretty much it. If you wanted to print this out, you can. There's a shopping list if you need it for other cleaning supplies. That would be helpful. On the other tab, this is whenever I'm done with the video, you'll have a link to view this YouTube video for future reference. You just hit File, Print, make sure the scale says Fit to Width, and then this is super handy to use if you wanted to print this out, use the portrait, and then you could use it like on a clipboard, put it in a binder. This is part of a larger spreadsheet. It's my ultimate moving planner. It's got 11 different tabs and a ton of other stuff that you can use to get moving. So anyways, if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. And I hope that y'all have a great day and happy moving.